Hello makers, I'm Catherine Harris with Stitchery, and if you're new here, I do sewing and DIY tutorials every week, so smash that subscribe button down below. This week I wanted to share with you my review of the block 4 of the Summer Sampler 2021 edition. And this block is right here behind me, and I did mine up in Northcott fabrics from their COLORWORKS Basics collection because I think that it really helps to pop with these designs when you're doing a sampler quilt. Now, this block was designed by Wendy Chow of The Weekend Quilter, and she used a mix of blocks that are spool and grandmother choice blocks to create a sawtooth star design, which really resembles a flower or a petal. And I am a huge fan of a sawtooth star, and one of my favorite things to do with a sawtooth star block is to fussy cut out a cute character or print in the middle of that big square and really make it a nice showpiece. So if I do decide to make this block again, maybe on a full-scale quilt, I think I'm going to fussy cut that out. I also wanted to show you what this block would look like if we were to make it up all of these specific blocks as opposed to all of the different sampler blocks that are included. And I think this one is very cute. Now, this block, out of all the blocks we've done so far in the sampler, has been the most time-consuming to sew. Now, it's not the most difficult by any means. It's just got a lot of little pieces, so you are doing a bit more sewing and pressing and cutting. But in the end, I think it is all really worth it. Now, it uses flying geese as well as half-square triangles to create this design. And if you are struggling with creating half square triangles, I have a tutorial that I will link down below as well as a card up here so that you can get those perfect half square triangles. And I've got 2 methods on how you can do that.
Bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum.
Wondering where you can grab this pattern, I will leave a link in the description down below where you can grab this summer sampler. It is happening right now, but even if you're watching this later on, they always keep the patterns up from previous years, so it is a great block to have in your arsenal. And until next time, makers, let's get our sewspiration on.